Hi guys, Virgo Creativity here. So today I have a get ready with me. Okay, I show you my hair, I'm doing my makeup, and I put on an outfit so affordable. Okay, in fact, Dee Dee's fashion. Okay, Dee Dee's discount. So yeah, if you're interested in how I got this look, how all this came together, then of course I want you to watch the video all the way until the end and give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and yeah, I would highly appreciate it. Okay, up next are the Dollar Tree wipes with retinol, and I have an order that I received from Avon. And so up next, I have Avon's primer before you put on your makeup. And let's just open up the box just to see. Okay. And RIMMEL Stay Matte. And some lashes that I quadrupled stacked. 605, number 605. Okay, up next, I have my MAC blush and Maybelline blush. And here I'm just combing out my hair, getting it prepared, getting it ready. And of course, I always like to use a wide tooth comb, not to rake at my hair, but to just separate it and get it somewhat, pulled and stretched just to get it ready for the next do. And I'm going to look like this and get ready. So, okay, we're going to see what kind of hair I have. Now, this is just a cute little drawstring ponytail, beauty supply store. Okay, very affordable, no more than 13 bucks. So here I'm going to show you where I fill in my edges and hide any gray hairs that I may have. So I'm just using your black Ampro gel, protein gel, and I use my hands. I'm not even using a brush. I'm just using my hands and get it up. And so now I'm going to use my Gorilla Snot because I love Gorilla Snot. So yeah, I'm just going to try to finesse these little hairs here, these baby hairs that I have. And excuse my face, because you see I'm trying to get it right. So yeah, that's what I'm doing with this little brush. I'm just trying to get those baby hairs in place, okay? You don't want too many of them. It's not like I'm some little teenager here or whatever. So the next thing I'm going to do, so yeah, I'm just twisting my hair and I'm getting ready to roll it up so I can put my ponytail on. So I'm just getting it all ready, and now I feel like I'm ready to get my makeup started. So yeah, everything is looking okay with my hair. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the retinol wipes. Those are located at Dollar Tree. So yeah, they work. And I'm just going to go and clean in my skin with them. They're very decent. They work. So yeah, once you get a certain age, you just want to start using retinol, and just to keep your skin looking soft and supple, just the upkeep of your skin. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to finish up, and I'm going to get those lips all moisturized, okay? Soft and supple as well, just like my skin. So let's go ahead and start using Avon primer. So I'm just going to put a dollop on the back of my hand, and I'm going to just use just a little bit to get ready to lay my foundation. And so this is just all I use, and it's been working very well. I'm quite pleased with it. And it was $10. The sales representative, she sold it to me for $10 because, of course, it was on sale. So if you want a more detailed video about my eyebrows, then please watch my previous Get Ready With Me. So I just basically fill in my eyebrows with Kat Von D eyeshadow, and I feather out the beginning of my brow and coast it on down my nose, and it also works as a contour. So I'm thinking everything is looking okay, so I'm going to move on to the foundation. Now this Rimmel is very decent. I think that it matches my skin pretty nicely. I'm pleased with it. So I just show you one half of my face with and the other side without. And so, yeah, just to give you a better idea. And then, of course, I use my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and that's in beautiful bronze. And I already started to lay my contour down, and I'm just going to deepen it a little bit more. Because, hey, we love a good snatched face, right? So yeah, I'm doing the fish lips just to check, make sure that all my points are on point. And yeah, I'm pleased with it. So yeah, I'm just going down, looking to see, checking all of my angles. And yeah, so that's by Maybelline, which I got at a dollar store, 99-cent only store in fact. And I also use it for my lips. Okay, so now I'm about to lay my lash, and I start in the middle, and like I said, my previous video gives a more detailed way. It shows you how I put my lash on. So yeah, keep watching. And so I just like to give it a little tap, a little squeeze, and hey, my lashes are pretty much on. Okay, so if you do that, oh my goodness, here I am being silly, just checking my investment. Okay, those white teeth and butterfly lashes that I created with 4 stacks of lashes. Okay, checking my angles. You see my highlight is there, and yeah, I feel pretty confident. I feel camera ready. So let's get into the fashion. Didi's discount sweater, I think it was only $7.99. Jeans were $8.99. So yeah. So Didi's up next. Those are the infamous Sherelle Whitfield Who Gon' Check Bee-Boo from Housewives of Atlanta. And then I just have this Gucci watch, and you know the controversy behind Gucci, and those items have been stored away. I hadn't brought them out until now, you know. And so I'm just showing you some art that I've painted, and there's my Dollar Tree fall decor item. And so, yeah, what's going to be up next? I'm going to show you my outfit. Okay, so here it is, Didi's discount outfit. I walk in and I'm showing you the sweater, turtleneck. Well, that's not a turtleneck, cow neck. And I have my little pony on. And the sweater was $7.99. And it's quite big because I thought it was so cute because of the cold shoulder. So I didn't go in the junior section. I went into the plus size and I found that sweater. And I thought it was just so cute. So, of course, I had to nab it. I just had to grab it. And the jeans, they fit pretty well. They could have been a little bit smaller, but hey, there's me posing. Okay, here I am. There's a closer look of my accessories and my butterfly lashes. And those earrings came from the beauty supply store for $1. Okay, so yeah, I feel all glammy and everything. And yeah, so here I am. I'm showing you the long version view just so you can see that I'm rocking combat boots. I usually wear a heel, but hey, why not get use of my combat boot? And the jeans, I paired it with the boot, combat boot, because you guys have already saw my over the knee boots, which I have so many shoes. It's kind of ridiculous. But here I am, just lacing up the boot just for a little bit more reinforcement. And yeah, I think I put a nice outfit together, and I hope you guys feel inspired to just get cute for the fall season, you know? So now that you've seen my outfit, I'm just gonna see what else I can do with it. Let's put it with a coat and a jacket. But first up, this leather jacket. And next will be a more heavier coat. So here I am feeling a little rebel. A little rebel, a little bikerish, okay? You'll see I've been bitten by the holiday bug.
Baby, it's
Ouch.
cold outside. And since we're no place to go, and since we're no place to go, let it snow, let it snow.
Getting into the spirit, okay?
I want to say thank you guys. Thank you for watching. This is your girl Virgo Creativity. And I thought I would do a get ready with me. And yeah, this is the look that I came up with. So yeah, I hope you can appreciate it. Oh God, look at those muscles. Flex, sorry y'all. Just had to. Yeah, so I hope you guys like the video that I put forth. And yeah, this is a part of my beauty series. And so yeah, I hope you all are enjoying your fall season, which I'm trying to. And yeah, I hope everything is going your way. I hope your dreams and your aspirations are coming true. So yeah, I'm going to end it right there. And I want to say thanks for watching. I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free and you're doing the things that you love to do. On that note, peace. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.